everyone, this is me, Miss Gina from The Excellent Teacher. This is about teaching method for inspiring students of the future. I am so blessed that I have a good job, a very best job in the world, that I have to work with many people who are fun, funny, energetic, creative, and insightful. Still, there is a question in my mind. Students for the future, what really works? 30 years of experience have been taught me two things, and it's made a big role in your classroom management. First is research-based technique, and the second one is relationship. Relationship is two youths, and I will talk about it later. And I will start the first one, the research-based technique. Me, myself, I love lecturing, but my students, they don't always love it. They don't always inspire them. It does not always inspire them. I always thinking how to inspire them. But one day, there is amazing things happen in my life. I was duty in the cafeteria. I saw lots of students are happy and excited, queuing, a very long queue. They have patience to wait. I saw children. They were very happy to choose what they want to eat. They went patiently and excitedly. And the word choice is pop in my mind. Yes, choice. Students wants to have a choice. They want to choose what they want to eat, what they want to drink. Yes, the word choice. I mean, where there were many learning abilities available to all students. I am pretty sure students will love it as much as they love choices in the cafeteria. 10 years ago, the National Association Learning Style was teacher who full of knowledge educate their students. Students, they were sitting in a very nice row and they were not allowed talking to each other. But my dear fellow, our generation changed. Too many disturbing. Most of our students, they have a short span of learning abilities. So our teaching method need to improve as our generation changes. This is not only my idea. Many schools using this method now and then. I will share the list that it must be in the menu. Number one is the word choice, where many learning abilities. Number two is the words. Number two is critical thinking and problem solving. It is definitely required. Number three is collaboration. It is the action working with someone or create something. It is required. Number four is communication. Without communication, they won't finish their work. Let's look at number five. Number five is creativity. It is uniquely pleasurable. The authentic learning will happen when kids or children engage with their learning. Not only learning, but they will enjoy it. What I am trying to say is, from a teacher, center of students' classroom, this is required teacher to remove him or herself from the center of the classroom. This is open up the opportunity not merely to teach them, but to guide them, to inspire them, to coach them. I love it so much. Albert Einstein say, education is not the learning facts, but to train the mind to think. It has been challenging, no matter what order of combination, learning activities they have been chosen. They will still meet the required and objective that for the kid, they will love it. They will enjoy it. There were many times they forget me inside the classroom. But it's okay for me as long as I see their progress. I am happy for them. So when you visit my classroom, some kids or some students working with their computers, working through on website activities. And it's possible you will see some kids sitting on the corner wearing their headphone and watching video related to the unit. Writing answer the questions from video relating from the unit that they are watching. Some kids are in the opposite corner. They are answering the working sheet. It is called reflection sheet. What is reflection sheet? Reflection sheet is the same as self-evaluation. They have to answer the questions from the beginning till end. They have to fill out the form from the past knowledge and connect to a new knowledge. Oh yeah, don't forget to add in the menu. It is called Arts and Entertainment. Must be in the menu every unit. This is where take students many concepts in the unit and at home develop some kinds of project, presentation, and present it in front of the class. On the last day of the unit, the arts and entertainment, it has to be non-traditional. It is only limited by their imagination. So they can come and perform their song, present movie, poem, or present model that they build. Any traditional way of demonstrating their knowledge or something they have learned from the unit. I used to teach public speaking. So my aim is to teach them how to speak in front of the public, in front of the crowd, to build their confidence, to speak clear pronunciation, and to teach them how to conclude all this story. The conclusion. Most of all, to show their uniqueness, genuinely or uniqueness. I found it 30 years because of instead teaching in a very big number or a large number. I found it 30 years experience. It's very effective. Instead of a large number I teach, I can teach in a small group. 3 or 4 people, not more than 5 people in one group. We do workshop and discussion, and believe me, amazing things will happen in your students will able to answer every questions you have, and perhaps this question will be on the test paper at the end of the unit. And you know what? Working with a small group, it's give me opportunity to listen. What do they think? Create some of teacher's paradox by removing yourself from the center. Paradoxically, you become more important because working as a guide or coaching in the side in an effective class, you are free to use the most powerful technique. Students should not only know what are they doing, they should also know how and why. By Harry Wong. Don't forget the 5 C's. It's probably the important one because the greatest of these is love. Thank you.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified. Bye-bye!